Ancient Arabia, a landscape shaped by time, by the shifting of the Earth's crustal tides. Natural, raw, plural. Defining cultures, shaping civilizations. Organic, timeless, mysterious. Deep in the heart of AlUla's canyons, Sharaan, where a voyage of discovery awaits. Within a natural canvas, a timeless masterpiece appears, shaped by the winds, the sun, the sand. Sculpted from within the heart of the landscape, curated by geology, architecture becomes a cultural act, awakening our senses, creating vivid emotions. Inspired by Nabatean culture, a metaphysical order emerges. Through thousands of years of geological strata, verticality, horizontality, light, shadow, creating majesty and enchanting views, bringing the universe closer, reconnecting with the energy of the earth, reviving heritage, custom, and tradition. An architectural act to realign in a modern way with civilization's old ways of life, today, tomorrow, as a lasting and sustainable legacy. Discover Sharaan, shaped by history, curated by nature, sculpted by Jean Nouvel.